Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben and I'm alive. I am alive. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I'm a professional day trader and a swing trader. I day trade the stock market Monday through Friday, and I swing trade the crypto market. So if you are interested in learning how to read the charts and learn how to take advantage of different patterns in the market, definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you are watching the replay, you can actually speed up time by going to the settings, going to speed, hitting 1.5 or 2. You can actually speed up the replay. So shout out to everybody that's here. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. And during this live stream, basically, if you have any questions, please let me know. I will see if I can get to your question. Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks a lot for dropping by. Mason, TB, Fisherman, Indranil, Eric. I'm doing good, Indranil. Thanks a lot for asking. I'm hoping you're good too. You guys hear me good? You hear me good on this side? So overall, guys, basically Bitcoin. Let me see if I can get the other one. Let me see if I get the Bitcoin chart. Let me see the Bitcoin chart that I want. I think is this one. Yeah. So overall, guys, Bitcoin basically popped up, and we might be creating some type of channel here. We'll see. And we're probably going to see another high. David said, what and when do you think the Golden Cross is coming? When? I don't know. You know, basically, the Golden Cross in the bear market, you know, you can never tell if it's going to actually happen. So no one knows, okay? No one knows. Shout out to GR8. What's going on? So, guys, overall, guys, this market, we are still seeing resistance. And shout out to everybody that's here. Everybody that's new to my channel, shout you out. What's going on, Daniel? We are still having resistance at this 300 billion mark. Still have resistance at that mark, guys. Okay, and we just have to wait to see if Bitcoin can actually break that level, stay above that level. We have to see. Nobody's really talking about that level. GRA said, I confirmed my account, switching my Coinbase fund over to can't wait to get some good gains. Shout out to GR8. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. So Farshad said, I'm new here. Great show. Shout out to you. So are you new to my channel? Did you see any of my videos before, or you just new completely like today? Let me know. What's going on, Travis? What's going on, Travis? So guys, if you are new to my channel, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, first times, thank you Farshad for coming through. Thanks a lot. Let me give you a round of applause. Shout out to all my new viewers. Okay, thanks a lot for coming through. So overall, guys, like I said before, we are having problems at this 300 billion mark. Okay, the total market cap right now, the market cap is at 296. Every time we reach the 300 billion, we seeing resistance. So we have to at least show some type of you know, it has to hold above that level. It has to hold above that level. Someone asked, what is the golden cross? It's pretty much when the 50-day cross is above the 200-day moving average. If I'm not mistaken, I usually don't focus on that too much, but that's what it's about. Fisherman. Let me see if I see any questions before I get this party started. So if you are new to my channel, if you have any questions, let me know. So like I said, Bitcoin right now is having trouble above this 300 billion mark. So it has to at least hold that mark. It can't just go to it and drop right back down. It can't do that. Okay. But Bitcoin overall, you know, the volume is still low. It's still low. It's nothing crazy. Let me see if I can actually go to the volume real quick. Hey guys, thank you for joining my show. So overall, we see 4 billion, 5 billion, 7 billion, 5 billion. So overall, yeah, still not enough volume. Okay, so Bitcoin, like I said before, right now let's go to the 4-hour, guys. Let's go to the 4-hour. It might be forming some type of flag here. It kind of looks like it. We don't know. I told you guys I do expect some type of another push up. And then when we have that next push up, we have to see that's where everything's that's probably where the party is going to begin. Okay, the party's probably going to begin when we have this next push up. Why do I say that? Because this is a key level right here that we are at right now. Okay, this is a key level that we are at right now, which is this triangle break. And we finally went to this level. And now you see some sellers. We saw yesterday and the day before, some sellers came in. And if we make another high, okay, that's when the party actually begins, because that next high is going to show us what Bitcoin is really want to do. Okay, it's going to show us what Bitcoin really wants to do, because that next high, if we just go up a little bit and we start to pull right back down, overall that's a weak signal. Okay, but if we go break, hold the gains, consolidate and break back up, then we'll see. Most likely we're going to go higher. So this next break, if we can actually go up to high, but most likely we probably go up to the next high. After that, we're going to see. So shout out to you guys that's here. If you have any Craig, what's going on, Craig? Shout out to you guys here. If you have any questions, let me know. TB said, I'm really expanding the sound game. Yeah, man. At what percentage do you take profits on your day trades? It's not really a percentage. So it is basically, if I'm day trading, whatever I'm risking at the time, I usually go for at least minimum 1-to-1. Okay, minimum 1-to-1. So that means it's, let's say that I'm risking $300. The minimum I want, the reward I want, is $300. Okay, but that's the minimum. Sometimes I like to go for 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. That's how I stay in the game. What's going on, Crypto Inspo? Good to see you here. Good to see Crypto Inspo. Shout out to him. Thanks a lot for coming through. All right. Crypto Inspo, why did you have a short at 7,800, Crypto Inspo? Let me look at this chart real quick. Let me see, 7,800. Why do you have a short at 7,800, Crypto? I wanna. You saw. I want to see your thought process, Crypto Inspo. Let me know the exact reason why you took that short. What's going on, MR66? Are you new to my channel, Mr. 66? Are you new to my channel? You got in at 82. Okay, yeah, I understand you got in at 82. Okay, but what's the reason why you took the short period? Crypto Inspo, let me know. Okay, so Mr. 66 says he been watching for a while. I guess I never saw you in the chat room, but shout out to you. Thanks a lot for coming through. What's going on, Gauntlet? Yeah, let me know why you took that short, because I'm trying to see your thought process. Mr. 66 said, keep up the good work. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. So Bogdan said, do you think chart trends on the altcoins can significantly separate themselves from BTC soon? Also, I got your course, ching ching. You got the course? All right, so shout out to you. Shout out to Bogdan getting this course. Bogdan, thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. I saw a sell-off. I wanted to do a small short to gain some profit. Okay, so if you shorted at 82, you made some profit. Okay, you probably was looking for, you probably wanted to go probably to 76 or something. How far did you want Bitcoin to go? And if you shorted at 82, where was your stop? Where was your stop? I'm confused, Crypto Inspo. Where was your stop? How far you wanted Bitcoin to go? You said you wanted the Bitcoin to go. You wanted Bitcoin to go to 78. Your stop was 8,200. Oh, you guys stopped out. You barely just got stopped out. That's crazy. But overall, I still don't understand why you took the short. That is a risky short. But I understand that you probably saw sellers come in, and you probably saw that we was finding resistance at the 300. Oh, so your stop loss was at 82.50. Okay, yeah, that I mean, right now this is at 82. Yeah, so like you just got stopped out. So Crypto Inspo, if you got in at 82, right, and it went all the way down to 7,800, it basically went down to your target price, right? It almost got you out. If it went all the way down and your target was 7,800, and it went right back to your entry point, you should have at least had a break even on that one, because you know, that's how I usually do it. That's how I usually do it. Oh, it was a demo account? Okay, cool. So shout out to Crypto Inspo. I thought he was losing real money. So shout out to you. At least it was a demo account. What's going on, Josh? Do you study charts under a 60-minute time frame? Yes, but that's only if I'm day trading the stock market or the futures market. The crypto market, not really. No, I don't. Not really, nah. What's going on, Miles? So, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate everything. I appreciate you coming through. If you have any questions, please let me know. I've been doing this for 10 years plus, day trading and swing trading. So, if you have any questions, let me know. So overall, guys, basically, you know, we had a bounce. I don't see really nothing in the news. Of course, CME won't be listing any new cryptocurrencies futures anytime soon. You know, that's whatever. We saw what the futures did to the crypto market anyway, so you know, you guys don't want another futures, another, you know, CME product anyway. But at the same time, don't look for Wall Street to bail you out, guys. Don't look for Wall Street to bail out crypto. You have to bail out yourself, and that's what it is. Okay, you don't look for Wall Street to bail you out, because these guys really are the grimiest guys on the planet. I'm talking about, these guys are cutthroat. Okay, they are looking to make money, take your money, and that's it. They will smile in your face. They will tell you everything that you need to hear, and basically they would do the opposite. Let me see if I see any questions. I was trying to swing trade. Okay, no problem. Shout out to you. So XRP, someone asked about XRP. Yeah, guys, the alt mark is still sluggish. These altcoins are still sluggish, guys. You know, overall, if you look at XRP, guys, it's just, you know, it's sad. It's sad because Bitcoin had a nice stretch, right? A nice little pop. Not only Bitcoin had a nice little pop, it was actually, it's trying to hold its gains right now. Okay, so when you see that, and then you see the altcoins just selling off like crazy, doing the opposite, it's actually sad, you know. But at the same time, with me being a professional, you know, I understand why this is happening, because a bear market, pullbacks are just that, pullbacks. Okay, so right now you're experiencing how the bears work, and XRP right now is basically looking so bearish that I don't know what's going to happen. It looks like it's trying to break out and go to the downside. That's what it's looking. Okay, it's looking like it's trying to go down to the downside. We had, it went up while Bitcoin was going up. You know, remember that week Bitcoin was going up, and then it just slammed right back down. Okay, wiped out all this gains, and then it's creating this channel right here, and we see this bearish bar right here. I don't know if this bar is going to complete. I don't know if it's going to complete, but this looks bearish right here. So, you know, it just, I don't know, guys. It's just, it's sad what's going on. But I told you guys to be prepared for this, and try not to buy up dips just because things look cheap, or your favorite YouTuber said, you know, to buy up the dips. You have to be careful. Um, I think bots will push up Bitcoin more. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to push it up more. You said TRX is looking pretty sad. Let me see TRX. You said TRX looking pretty sad. Let me see TRX. Yeah, man, it's not really going nowhere, guys. It's really not going nowhere. And we hit resistance right here. As soon as we hit this resistance line right here, we sold off. We pulled back a little bit, but it's selling off again. So I don't know. You know, it's just what it is. It's not going nowhere. Let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. Ashley said, I'm shorting Bitcoin as of now. Ashley, why are you shorting Bitcoin? What makes you feel that Bitcoin is going down right now? You know, it's a possibility. We have, you know, we have, it looks like it's trying to go up one more time. That's what it looks like. Me personally, I'm just chilling, waiting. I told you guys that if this thing pops up, which I believe it probably will, that's when the party begins, right? That's when the parties begin, because that will tell me whether Bitcoin wants to continue to go back up or it's weak and it will go right back down. Okay, so if we break up and it's only a tiny break and then sellers come back in, that tells me that this is weak. Okay, but if we go up, consolidate, hold the gains, and keep on going up, that means most likely it's going higher. How high? I don't know, but most likely it's going higher. So shout out to you guys. Let me see if I see. Let me see if I see any questions. I was watching YouTube today, and I went on Doug Polk video today, and I was I was looking at the video. In the beginning, I saw my comment that I made the other day, and basically I said, hey man, it's a bull market. Here comes Doug. Laugh out loud. Doug, you can make money when the market goes down too. Okay. So basically, the reason why I said that, because everybody in the comment box was telling Doug, hey man, how come I only see you when the market goes up? And I was letting Doug know, like, yo, Doug, man, there's other ways to make money. It's just not, you know. I understand that when the market goes down, you probably don't understand what's going on, but you can actually make money while the market goes down too. Shout out to Doug. Let me see if I see any questions. Let me see if I see any questions, guys. And if you are new to my channel, if you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 10 years plus, so let me know if you have any questions. What's going on, Sean? I didn't see you. I'm reading these questions. Let me see. I'm reading these questions, so give me what's going on, NN? Shout out to NN said, good evening, Ben. A few weeks ago, you told Bitcoin can go to 3,000, 4,000 USD this bearish market. How is your views these days? are they changing in the market? No, it's not changing on NN. You know, when I said the market could go down, nobody knows the time. Okay, nobody knows the time. Like, for example, no one can say Bitcoin is going to reach 50K by the end of this year. You know, that's the most stupidest thing that, you know, someone can say, because they don't understand that no one knows when Bitcoin is going to do anything. So when I say Bitcoin can actually go to 4,000, that's a long-term view, meaning that I don't know when that's going to happen. But in the bear market, you just understand that, you know, things basically continue to go down, even though we have pullbacks. Let me see if I see any questions. Miles said, will his course cover the charts, buying and selling when? Yeah, so my course covers everything, Miles. Basically, it covers how to read the charts, how to get in, when to get in, when not to get in. Basically, you know, everything that you need to become a professional. And it's very simple, step by step. So, yes. And Miles, yes, Miles, if you don't have this course, during the live stream, I give a 50% discount. So, let's get that over with so I can go back to the charts. Hold on, let me sign on real quick. Hold on, guys, let me sign on. Alrighty, so let's see if I can get this working. Okay, sheesh. Alright, so like I said before, during the live stream, I give a 50% discount. So let's get this over with. So we go back to the questions and the charts. So shout out to Miles. If you want to get this, is the best time to get it, because when I go off live, it goes right back to 210. So let me copy and paste that link to the chat room, and if you have any questions, let me know. This course right here is the best course on the market, period, hands down. Basically, read my testimonials. You can ask anybody. Pretty much almost every other day, someone tells me they making money. So you can read the testimonials, people making money, $800, $400, $4,000, 400. My top student made 21,000. So if you want to understand how to navigate through the market, understand how it works, understand how a professional looks at the market, he doesn't care whether it goes up or down. He actually still can make this money. The thing I tell people is, okay, you know, because what most people doing right now is they just waiting for you know, the market to turn bullish again. And I'm telling you guys, you don't have to wait. There's money to be made right now as we speak. So if you want to learn that, it doesn't matter if you have a 9 to 5, you can still make this work. It's not about day trading, it's about swing trading. So shout out to you guys. Let me see if I see any questions. Miles said dump XRP. I I'm very green. I have diversified portfolio though. I'm reading these comments, guys. So give me a second. Someone asked me about Neo. I'll get to it. The ETF is going to make people believe to buy now. Yeah. Yeah. Doug is an entertainer, poker guy, not a trader at all, but a cool guy. Yeah, he's cool. Doug is cool. He's a funny guy. Yeah, Doug, I give you the link to the course. Crypto Inspo said, "Can you?" Yeah, most likely Crypto Inspo. I'll probably just start doing that. Shout out to Crypto Inspo. Someone said about Neo. Let me see Neo doing. So Neo, basically, we had this resistance right here. We hit it 1, 2, 3, and then it was shot back down, and it's struggling right now. So it's struggling. Neo is struggling, guys, and it looks like it's trying. Maybe it's forming some type of channel right here, and we have to see if this is going to go either to the upside or the downside. But most likely, if it went down, usually if it goes down like this usually means a continuation, but we'll see. All these altcoins right now is looking weak. This is why when it comes to Bitcoin, when I'm looking at Bitcoin automatically, I'm like, you know what? Is this a real, run? Because the altcoin is telling us different. Like, because throughout this whole bear market, everything was together, right? And even when we had this big up move right here back in this February, some of these altcoins outdid Bitcoin. Even right here, this pump right here, but all of a sudden now everything is out of whack. So to me, things are looking fishy, and this makes me wonder: is this a real pump? Most likely it's not, because we are still in the bear market. Okay, if you know anything about bear markets, they usually last for years. Let me see if I see any questions, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. You said, do I use a trailing stop? Not really. Basically, only if I'm looking for a 1-to-1. So if I'm looking at a 1-to-1, nah, not really. I don't use a trailing stop. Only if I'm that's usually when I'm day trading, but when I'm swing trading, I'm usually I know if I'm going for a 1-to-1, a 2-to-1, or a 3-to-1. I usually know beforehand when I take the trade. You're using a 10-15 point. You're trying to use 10-15 points, not really seeing success. What are you talking about? 10 to 15 points. I don't know what you're talking about, Crypto Inspo. And right now, Crypto Inspo, this wasn't really a good short anyway. So, what's going on, Simon? Randy, what's going on? You said let's kill the altcoins. They don't have no value. Yes. So Crypto Inspo is telling the truth though, guys. I love the crypto market, I'm quite sure you love the crypto market, but you know, crypto inspo is actually telling the truth that most of these coins really are overvalued. Okay, they shouldn't be worth this much. So this is why I in the beginning of my streams I gave 5 reasons why I believe the market will continue to go down, and that's one of the reasons, because most of these coins are overvalued. Okay, most of these coins are useless. They're not doing anything in the real world. They're not providing anything. They're not generating any revenue, anything. So most of these coins are useless. You know, let's be real, guys. Let's be real to ourselves. Let me see. You said, do I find it more risky to show off when Bitcoin is moving up and prices are tied so close? Yeah. So right now, I would like to see Bitcoin turn bearish before before the altcoins. That would probably be your best bet for the most part. But overall, the altcoins, they do look weak. But yes, I would like to see Bitcoin turn bearish first. Jerry said first time. Shout out. Missed most of your live broadcast. What do you see happening with Litecoin? Is 73. So shout out to Jerry. First time making it to the live stream. Shout out to you. So you said, what do I see with what? Litecoin. So let me see. Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin, basically we have resistance right here. Okay, we have resistance right here in the past. Okay, so right here we hit this resistance right here, we sold off, we hit it again, we sold off. So overall, Litecoin is having problems at this resistance level and it's selling off. So right now the sellers are in control around this area. So if Litecoin wants to do any type of bullish move, it has to break this and stay above that area. But right now, yes, the sellers are in control when it comes to Litecoin. David said, what do you think about the RSI being so high? Well, on the daily chart, it signals some type of over sold situation, but at the same time, me personally, I don't really follow the RSI. I just look at the price, look at the candles, look at support and resistance. But if you do look at the RSI, yes, most likely that's not a good sign for it to be this high. Art said, I was saying the same exact thing on my Facebook video. Ben, it's very confused market. Yes, it is. Shout out to Art 2000. Yeah, I just showed you XRP. You said, do we have support at 7.9? Oh, well, it's a possibility. 7,900 on BTC. Let me see. It's a possibility. What I'm noticing that we actually, let me see. So basically what we did, right, on a 1 hour we had this breakout, and I'm noticing that the market pulled back to the breakout. Okay, so the market loves to pull back to breakouts. So it broke out, boom, and it pulled right back to this breakout. As soon as we touched this breakout, it just shot right back up. So it's finding support at this breakout, but we'll see how far the thing will go. So shout out to Miles Lane. Miles Lane said he just bought the course. So shout out to you, Miles. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel, Miles. Let me hit that cha-ching button for you. Let me hit that cha-ching button for you. Okay, shout out to Miles. Miles has actually bought this course. And basically what this course is about, guys, it shows you, I took my time with this. It shows you how to be a professional. I've been doing this for, actually next month is going to be 11 years. So I've been doing this for 11 years, and it's going to show you how to become a professional. Now, not to get hyped when you see, you know, the news and different YouTubers hype up things. You know, you can actually stay calm, because you can, now you know how to read the charts and figure out what's really going on. Okay, so for example, this right here, this up move right here, if you notice that we're still in the bear market. Okay, so we have an area right here. We hit this triangle, sellers came in, and as a professional, what you want to do is be patient. Okay, be patient. The market, if you want to short this market, no real sellers came in yet. So me personally, I'm waiting for the real sellers to come in. But if you want to go long this market, you could have made a lot of money already. Okay, so this is why this course is good too, because it will show you how to go long, it will show you how to go short. So if you went long in this market, you couldn't have made your money. All right, but overall, if you went long, I told you guys, you know, I'm not giving you guys financial advice. This is entertainment only. But you know, if you made money from these longs, you know, if I was you, I would take some money off the table, book some profits, because this thing could, you know, reverse back at any time. But shout out to Miles for getting this course. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. All right, and like I tell everybody that get the course, you know, once you study and do things step by step, and you know, listen to everything, you know, you can actually make this money. Because people are emailing me every other day, say, hey Ben, I'm making this money now, you know, not last year, because most people that are buying and holding, the last time they made money was probably last year. Okay, they've been patiently waiting for going on 8 months, hoping that the market go to 50K. And I'm telling you guys that it's a possibility, not to be on the negative side, but it's a possibility that we could continue to go down, and that's how bear markets work. Okay, we saw it in the past when we went up right here and it went right back down. We went up right here and went right back down. So this might be another situation where it just go right back down. Okay, and instead of complaining about it and being sad about it, you can actually take advantage of those opportunities while you wait for the bulls to come back. So shout out to Miles for getting this course. Let me give him a round of applause. And if you don't have this course, definitely check it out, because when I get off this live stream, is right now is a 50% discount. It's gonna go right back to 210. So shout out to Miles. Let me see if I see any questions. And if you are in, yes, definitely. If you are in this chat room, if you have any questions, let me know. Randy said, congrats, Miles. You won't regret it. Smart move. Shout out to Randy. Thanks a lot, Randy. Miles said, where do I log in at? Miles, you should check your email, Miles. Check your email. And basically, check your email and it will show you everything. You basically download the course, okay? Let me see if I see any question. Annette said, do you use JazzFax anything other than crypto? No, but you can. You can if you want to. If you want to use it for Forex or, you know, whatever they have, you know, they have stocks if you want to use that. But I just use it for crypto for right now. Yes. Left Lane, what's going on? What's going on? Happy Friday. Yes, happy Friday to everybody that's here. Shout out to Crypto Inspo still in the building. Crypto Inspo, where you been at though, man? I didn't see you in a long time. You been hiding, man? Ricardo said, great course. Thanks a lot, Ricardo. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Miles said, I got it. All right, no problem, Miles. And said, can you do a quick XRP? I did that already. What do you use for JazzFax? I use MT4. You said XRP. I did XRP already. Basically, I said with XRP, you know, I don't get why we are going down. You know, I mean, basically, Bitcoin is trying to hold its gains, but XRP is looking bearish right now. I just don't get it. So overall, we went up same time when Bitcoin went up, but at the same time when Bitcoin was holding its gains, all these altcoins were just shooting down. So it shot down. Consolidate, right? It's consolidating right now in its channel right now. Usually what this means is continuation. Usually, okay? This is like a flag right here. If you notice, right? It shot down a flag. Flag usually means continuation. So right now XRP is looking bearish. It has to break up to the upside in order for it to not look bearish. But we did find some type of resistance right here. Shot down, sellers came in, and we just have to wait because right now it's in this channel, so we have to wait to see if it breaks down. But shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. Probably get off this chat soon, but thanks a lot. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll definitely get to your question. But overall, guys, the 300 billion right now, the 300 billion mark is a resistance level. It's definitely a resistance level. We'll see what we're going to do over the weekend. We'll see what we're going to do over the weekend. Let me see. Yes, I'm trying to. Here we go. Trying to load this thing up. Okay, so every time it goes to that 300 billion mark, boom, rejection, rejection, rejection. So we'll see if this thing wants to go up again. Okay, but I told you guys with BTC, if it goes up one more time, guys, if it goes up one more time, that's when the party begins. Okay, that's when the party begins. Because that's going to tell us whether if this thing is going to go up and continue to go up, or if sellers come in and go right back down, most likely that's a weak signal, and most likely, you know, this thing will continue to go back down. So I'm about to get off this chat room. I mean, this live stream. But I'm about to get off the live stream soon. If you have any questions, let me know. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Let me see. Miles said I would check it out, bro. Yeah, no problem, man. Thanks a lot, though. Thanks again, Miles, for supporting the channel. I appreciate it. And said no. Yeah, don't worry about it. Crypto Inspo said I'm hoping it's going to 94 at least. Smash the likes. So you Crypto Inspo, you want to short it all the way until you want to short it all the way to 94. If it goes to 94, that's what you're talking about. So if anybody in this chat room believes Bitcoin will hit 50K or 30K by the end of this year, let me know. Let me know. Let's check BNB. BNB popped up. That's what's up. We'll see how this goes right here. You said you wanted to short 94 to 90. Yeah, no, not enough volume. You said Doug Polk. What about Doug Polk? Crypto Inspo. What about Doug Polk? What are you talking about? So Flex said only if the ETF is approved. So you think Flex, you think Bitcoin is going to 50K if the ETF is approved? You know, I mean, 50K is a long way, right? I mean, 50K is all the way up here. That's a long way. That's a long way. Okay. Look how long 20,000 is from here. You know, look how long 20,000 is from here. You know, let's 50K is like all the way up here. You know? So that's just very hard to do in a couple of months. Oh, you said Doug Polk thinks it's going to 50K? Yeah, that's crazy. Ah, man. You said ETF delayed 90 days. Yeah. Art said, I think Doug is a crazy person. Oh, man. Doug, you know, I don't know what Doug does. He just basically, I know he plays poker. You know, I don't know if he still plays it, but you could definitely tell he's an entertainment person. Like, he does the entertainment part of cryptocurrencies. Giving you the truth said 50K for Bitcoin Lightning Network comes out. Leslie Savage, how long do you think the bear market will last? Savage, shout out to Savage. Hey, what's going on, Rec? It all depends on how fast we get to 3,000. You know. You said the charge now to predict what happened. It doesn't look like it's going to 50K going off the charge. Yes, it doesn't. Yeah. People don't understand that Bitcoin is not going to 50K with this type of volume. Okay. This type of volume, Bitcoin is not going to 50K. We need more than 5 billion, 4 billion. We need more than that. Flex said this is an unpredictable market. Not really. It's not unpredictable at all. Okay. Right now, you have to. Only reason why it's unpredictable because most likely a lot of people are just so focused on the news, and the news can actually, make you think one way, or these YouTubers can make you think one way. Okay, but if you just focus on the macro basically tells you that overall we are still in a bear market. And I told you guys that I'm looking for me to say this is probably going to switch up as if we go to 10K and hold those levels. But the chances of us going to 10K and holding those levels is very slim because number one, we don't have enough volume coming in. We don't have new buyers coming in. And there's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes that a lot of people just don't understand. Let me see if I see any questions. What's going on, Keith? Keith said, be careful in this market. Yes, definitely be careful. Crypto Inspo said BTC looks like rejection. Flex said, who predict that the stock market would be at its all-time high this long? I don't get what that means though. Flex. I don't get, I don't get what basically what I'm saying is Bitcoin been going down ever since January. Okay, so it's been going down more than 50% of the year. So overall, we are in a bear market. That's what I'm saying. It's nothing really unpredictable about that. Basically, we have to. If you really want this to turn bullish, you have to wait for confirmation. You just can't, just because you see an up move, automatically think is a bullish move. Keith said the course is the truth. Yes, I'll live to try trade another day. Shout out to Keith. Crypto Inspo said the 1 hour. Let me see the 1 hour. You said it would, yes, it's the 1 hour is selling off a little bit. selling off a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely selling off. We'll see it over the weekend. We'll see how they play this out. But don't you know, don't be surprised if you see another up move. And like I said before, that I want to see how far they will go. Okay, I hear you, Crypto Inspo. Tether will crash when it hit the bottom. Yeah. So do you guys think that Tether is a ticking bomb? Anybody in here think Tether is a ticking bomb? You said 2018 going to be dry. Yeah. So Sammy said no. So you don't think Tether's a ticking bomb? Why is that? Why is that, Sammy? Why you don't think it's a bomb? So Flex said BTC retrace 73% every bear market. No, not necessarily. If you go back, it retraced more than that before. Okay, Flex. It retraced more than 73%. So I'm reading these. Rex said Tether's the bomb. Crypto Inspo said Tether's the worst thing for crypto. Bima said, "What's your opinion on what people said inverse head and shoulder forming on a weekly chart?" Bima, I'm still overall. The market is still in a bear market. It's just what it is. I don't care if the market forms two head and shoulders back to back. That doesn't get me excited, because I understand how bear markets work. I understand how the professionals, the people that are controlling this market, how they want you to think. Okay. When it comes to, I trade the stock market and the futures, you know, those guys over there are much smarter than the crypto market. So, you know, when I come to the crypto market, it's just, you know, it is what it is. But this is a bear market, and these guys they would do anything to trick you. Before I even say this is a bull market, I need confirmation. Okay, it's almost like you had a girlfriend and you broke up with her, and then next thing you know, she comes back to tell you, she comes back maybe 3 months later, 4 months later, saying that she's pregnant. Okay, you don't know if that's your kid or not. You want to see proof, right? So that's the same thing with me. I want to see proof. Show me proof that this is a real bull market. I'm not just going to believe it's a bull market just because I read something on the news. This is why I love looking at the charts, because the charts don't lie to you. Okay, the charts don't lie to you. There's none on the chart that tell me right now that this is a bull market. Giving You Truth say, yes, Tether is a ticking bomb. I've been waiting for it to blow. Yeah, if Tether blows, a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. Just call this. It's a wrap, guys. Just call it off. You know, it's a wrap. This market is going to drop like it's nothing. Let me see. They may give us a Christmas gift later on this year. Let me see. Yeah, it is huge warning flags with Tether, man. They will not allow some official audit. Exactly. Yeah. I'm reading these questions, guys, so what's going on, Robert? So Flex said, Ben, what do you think the new money is doing? What do you mean by that, Flex? And not only that, what new money are you talking about, Flex? Be specific. What new money are you talking about? Crypto Inspo said, if you Google average bear market 15, 17 months, it's only been 7 months. Yeah, I've been telling people that for the longest, Crypto Inspo. Shout out to Crypto Inspo. Basically, I say, guys, you know, a bear market just don't reverse like that. And not only it just don't reverse in 7 months. It's not this obvious, okay? It's not this obvious where everybody and their mother on YouTube, you know, 10-year-olds and 12-year-olds thinking that this is the bottom, okay? It's not that easy. So this is why I tell people be careful, because once you start to think that you know it all, that's when the market humbles you and show you that you don't really know anything. Let me see. Yeah, I figured that stretch. Nice fake baby mama comparison. Oh, man. Yeah. Hey, what's up? Yeah, Flex. What you do? What you talking about? New money? What new money you talking about? Art said, look at the end of your indicators. They are going to cross in October, and I think there will be a shift into a bullish market. Basically, guys, it's not that easy. That's all I gotta say. At the end of the day, it's not that easy. You know, if it was, guys, everybody would be chilling, going, you know, chilling on yachts, and you know, having a whole bunch of grills surrounding them right now. Last year, guys, it was a nice bull market. It was nice. It was cool. A lot of people made money. A lot of people thought that, you know, they knew what they was doing. But it's almost like I really can't, you know, give you an example, but it's like you're doing something wrong, but at the same time you're making money at the same time. So it's hard to tell people that we are in a bear market and these bear markets will last for a year or so, and because they made a lot of money last year, so it's very hard to convince people that. Okay, but you know, I'm here to tell you that every year is not a up year. Every year can't be a bull year. Most people just can't. They can't grasp that idea. They think every year is going to be a up year and we're going to go up to the moon. It doesn't work like that. Let's see. Rex said new money is waiting for Goldman Sachs ETF. The ETF doesn't mean anything though, Rex. People don't realize the ETF doesn't mean anything. You said new investor, Flex, but what new investor? What new investor you talking about? Who's new? Be specific. New investor, who's new? Crypto Inspo said BTC 2000. Yeah, you crazy, man. You crazy. BTC 2000. Ah, man. I told you guys, I don't know if you guys listen to my streams, my live streams. I told you guys, bro, if you really are looking to wait and hope that the ETFs will save you, you are in the wrong game, guys. You are in the wrong game, okay? You have to start to understand that no one is going to save you but yourself. No one is going to save you but yourself. So stop looking for the ETFs, new money, anybody to save you. And I'm not just saying that with cryptocurrencies. I'm saying that overall in general, okay? I would say that the same when it comes to the stock market too. Okay? Don't let Donald Trump or anybody try to save you. Because at the end of the day, no one is going to help you. And you have to help yourself. This is why you have to learn how to build money-making skills. So, Flex, Crypto, you still didn't answer my question. What new money? Who is new coming in? Crypto Inspo said. Crypto Inspo said Tether's going to get bailed out. Oh, man. These guys got jokes tonight. Oh, my goodness. Glenn said lamb dance for everybody. Oh, my goodness. Where's my laugh button? Let me see if I can find a laugh button, guys. Oh, man. This is too funny. Let's see if let's see if I can find a laugh sound bit. Let me see. Oh, man. Y'all guys is funny, bro. Let me see if I get... I'm trying to get a laugh. Oh man, you guys is making me laugh tonight. Oh man. Let me see if I see any questions. If you're new to my channel, guys, if you're new to my channels, please let me know if you have any questions. Paul said gonna get a lot of pain before it get better. A lot of blood on the streets. Shout out to Paul. And I believe Paul too. I believe that this market will see more downside before it see upside. Only reason why is because it's too much stuff going on behind the scenes that most people just don't want to admit. Okay, they don't want to admit that stuff. Okay, if you just go Just go and look at stuff. Just look at the news. Okay, somebody's getting hacked all the time. Okay, here we go. Another ICO hacked. Okay, everybody's getting hacked, scammed. This stuff can't continue to go on. I don't think you guys just really don't understand. That stuff just can't continue to go on. Why do you think the government is cracking down? You said, what do I expect with Tron? Yeah, Tron is looking weak, but it's not just Tron. It's all these altcoins is actually looking weak. So what do I expect? I don't know. I have to see what Bitcoin is going to do, because overall, all these altcoins is weak right now. So if Bitcoin continues to drop, that means that these altcoins are going to continue to, because it's funny, right? Because Bitcoin is going up, but none of these guys are following. So it's just very hard to gauge the altcoins right now. It's just overall it's looking weak. That's all I have to say. Keith said, yes, the market will humble you. The bear ate me good last night. I hear you, man. Rex said, nice studio laugh. Yeah, man. I'm reading these comments, so give me a second. Leslie Savage said it may be another 12 months before the market turns around. We had to deal with the, yes, exactly. So shout out to Leslie Savage. He understands what's going on. He understands what's going on. He understands that this market can't continue to go up, and the government is watching this market. They have their eyes on this market. Okay, this is why I told you guys, most of the people just don't understand what's really going on behind the scenes. Okay, this is why most people just don't understand that, you know, our 10-year stretch in the crypto market, it was probably one of the best stretch that, you know, we ever had. Okay, but that was the people that got in the beginning. Yes, they benefit a lot, but you have to understand that most of you guys that got in, especially if you got in last year, right now it's not the same. It's not going to be that easy money that most people made before. So, you know, when people made that money before, it's not going to be as easy as that before. You know, like last year and these other years. So you have to understand that we are in a pause phase where things is pulling back. Bitcoin is trying to reset itself because it has a lot of stuff going on. A lot of altcoins are basically scams, bad for the market, and we just have to reset ourselves. Okay, and it doesn't really it doesn't, it takes a long time for that, and seeing a pullback in the market doesn't get me hyped. I'm very cautious. I'm always cautious because I'm a professional. I do this, you know, full time, so I understand how these guys work. They are very good at making you believe one thing and they actually doing another. They are very good at that. If you don't believe me, just go back in the past, guys. Look at the chart. Okay, back in February, we went up, straight up, guys. And then we went right back down, okay? Again, back in April, we went straight up, guys. We went right back down. So these guys are very good. And not only they good, they have the news on their side. So every single time we go up, they come out with some good news, right? Get everybody amped up while the market's going up, and next thing you know, it's just drop right back down. So I know the games that these guys play, so that's why I play it safe. Most people don't understand, and I understand. You know, you are new to this game, so I understand. Some people just want things to go up, but sometimes it's just not like that. You just have to be patient and study this game. So let me see if I see any questions. I'm about to get off this stream soon. Crypto Inspo said, I got in this year in January. Man, Crypto Inspo got in at the top. He got in when Crypto Inspo got in when Charlie Lee was selling his Litecoin. Man, that's crazy. But I feel you though. I feel you. You are. It's funny, Crypto Inspo. Even though you got it at the top, that that was probably one of the best things to do, because now you actually, evolved, and now you becoming a professional and understand how the markets really work. Because if you didn't get in at the top, you would just be a buy and hold guy and waiting for the market to go up. So shout out to Crypto Inspo. Everything happens for a reason. Because I'm telling you right now, guys, once the sellers come back in, okay, once the sellers come back in, guys, there's a lot of money to be made. A lot of money to be made. Of course, it's money to be made on the upside, but you have to understand that we still are in a bear market. So me personally, I wouldn't be, holding my gains like that. I'll be taking my profits. But when the sellers come in, there's going to be a lot of money on the downside, because most likely they're going to test this bottom again, okay? And not only test this bottom, most likely we're going to continue to go down. Let's see. Crypto Inspo said, thank God for Big Ben's course. Shout out to you for getting the course. Let me hit that cha-ching button. All right, shout out to Crypto Inspo. Yeah, everything happens for a reason, Crypto Inspo. It's good that you came in around that time. Bema Boy said, I've been shorting this high and making a killing thanks to Ben's course. I've been aggressive with my setups though. That's probably not recommended. So Bema Boy Bro said he been aggressive, making his money from this market. So shout out to you, man. Yes, if you are new to this, being aggressive is definitely not recommended. But at the end of the day, I don't have no control over no one's account. So at the end of the day, whatever you want to do, that's up to you. But yes, if you are new to this, being aggressive, definitely not recommended. But there's money to be made. $45 is here. What's going on, 45? I didn't see you. You said just back from the streets, still at work in the office, still trying to catch this live. All right. 45 here. Crypto Inspo said, I want things to go up a little bit more than crash hard. Yes. Because Ben, they will be one more push. I can't wait. Haha. Yeah, so guys, I told you right now, the next, if we get that next push up, that's when the party begins, because we will know whether if Bitcoin wants to go up more or just head back down. Because if it push back up, if it push back up and it only goes up just a little bit and then goes right back down, most likely that's a weak signal. And most likely, the sellers will come in. But if we go up, hold this gains, we probably go up a little bit more. Okay. How far? I don't know. Maybe around 9,095. But trust me, the sellers will come, because the market just can't keep on going up in a straight line. It can't do that. Okay, the market is not designed to go up in a straight line. Okay, every time the market goes up in a straight line, that's not a healthy sign. If you notice back in February when we went up in a straight line with these tiny pullbacks, look what happened in February. Okay, we crashed right here, made a double top, and we went all the way back down. Okay, same thing right here in April when we went up, tiny pullbacks, right? We going up in a straight line, and guess what? Crash right back down. So we going up in a straight line, guys. This is not healthy for the market. This is not healthy for the market. So the market can't go up. It can't continue to go up in a straight line like that. It has to pull back. And usually when it goes up in a straight line, the more it goes up in a straight line, the more it's gonna pull back. So overall, that's not healthy. And if it continues to keep on going up, most likely a lot of sellers will come in. Let's see if I see any questions before I get out of here, though. What's going on, 45? You caught the last of the stream. Bimmin Boy said, Brimmin Bro said, hard times make strong men. Exactly. Bear markets makes better trades. Exactly. So hard times make strong men. Okay. Instead of complaining, you can actually, learn how this market works and make this money. Leslie Savage says, sounds good to me. I'm waiting for those sellers. Yep. Crypto Inspo said, if you worth every penny gets Ben course. If you don't have it, he's upping up the price soon. Shout out to him. He's talking about this course right here. If you don't have it, check it out. When I get off a live stream, it's going back up. So check it out right now. It's a 50% discount. I'll just put the link in. Shout out to everybody that's here, about to get off this stream soon. It is Friday, so probably gonna get some sleep. But I'm definitely gonna study some charts. I know what to do when it crashes again. All right, so shout out to Crypto Inspo. Crypto Inspo is ready for this crash. Okay, he's ready for this market to pull back heavy. Okay, he's waiting for the market to pull back. He's waiting for this market to pull back. Right now we at a key level, so that's why I said the next time we go up, that's when we know what Bitcoin's really wanted, what Bitcoin really wants to do. Let me see. Yeah, 45. Thanks for coming by. Travis said, thanks again for another great session. No problem, man. I don't know. I might come on tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see. But shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you have one more questions, let me know. If you have any more questions, let me know. But I'm about to get out of here. Like I said before, guys, these altcoins right now is looking weak. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. Yeah, Ethereum is looking weak right now. You know, we shot down. It's trying to go up, but you know, overall it looks weak. XRP looks weak. TRX looks weak. Will it go up? You know, we have to wait. But overall, right now, it just looks weak. Litecoin. Let me see. It looks weak. Who else? So Stellar actually broke out and it's trying to catch up with Bitcoin. That's what's up. Who else? That's about it. So guys, I'm about to be out. Let me see if I see another question before I get out of here. All right, now. Remember to sell TRX Big Secret. Oh man, that's funny. Let me see how TRX. She said TRX Big Secret. Oh man, that's funny. Oh man. So shout out to you guys. Shout out to you guys. Let me see if I see a laugh button on here. I had a couple of laugh buttons. So shout out to you guys. Let me get out of here. Shout out to you guys that's making this money. Thanks a lot for coming through. Thanks a lot for coming through. In this chat room, chilling out with me on a Friday night. I'll let you guys go back to whatever you guys was doing. Whatever you was doing. I don't know if you're going out or studying this chart. So I'm gonna let you guys go back to that. And thanks for, you know, chilling out with me real quick. Have a good night. Make sure you study these charts. Have a good weekend. If I don't talk to you guys during the weekend, have a good weekend. And just be careful out here for you guys that's buying these dips. Be careful. And I'll talk to you guys later. And have a great night, okay?